Hello kids, good morning, hope you're doing great. Welcome to your fourth English class. Today we're going to check used to. What is used to? When do we use it? We use it to make reference to habits or routines from the past that do not continue in the present. For example, I played Nintendo when I was 10 years old. In the past, I played Nintendo, when I was 10. Now, how do I include used to? I used to play Nintendo when I was 10 years old. So, used to is going to make a reference to indicate that this action does not continue in the present. Because it stopped in the past, and in the present you don't do that action. So this is my example. I used to play Nintendo when I was 10. Now pay attention to specific details. This termination sounds familiar to you? Ed, termination, ed. That means that this is a verb in past. So used to is in past because it indicates an action that happened in the past. Now check what is different. In a normal sentence, in simple past, I played Nintendo when I was 10. But here we are including used to. So remember that you cannot have past and past. That is not possible. So that's why when I am using used to, my verb, the verb of the action, is going to be in present. Why? Because used to indicates past. So every time you want to make reference to an action that in the past was normal, was a habit, a routine, but in the present it's no longer practiced, you can use used to. Another example could be I used to teach English at school in the past, because in the present I teach English at home through a video. So this action, teach English, changed. It's not the same. So when you want to talk about this, you can use used to. Now we're going to check some more examples. Okay, now let's continue with our examples. As you can see here, my first example is my grandma used to wash clothes by hand. So this is an action that happened in the past, but in the present it's totally different. Then, people used to use oil lamps in the past. The use of oil lamps was an action that normally happened in the past. In the present, we have electricity, so it's not necessary anymore. Then, my grandpa used to listen to the radio. That is an action that was very common. It was a habit for my grandpa in the past, but in the present, he watches TV. So the action changed. Stopped. So these are my examples for used to.